So we're gonna go ahead and open the doors of the church. I'm gonna be using their ocean wave. I've used this hair before. It always gives such pretty results. There are 7 bundles inside this one pack, creating a crochet look that was very safe and protective of your what? Edges, okay? You don't need to cornrow, because you know we not out here donating edges.
Y'all know this.
We trying to keep them healthy and wealthy, amen? Amen. I feel like my voice is so low. Who do you think I am? Boom, 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 boom. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. And it's an early slay if you can't tell, honey.
It's early in the morning.
Let the church say subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and open the doors of the church, because I got something real sweet for y'all today. I got something real nice. I think y'all gonna like it. I feel like my voice is so low. I feel like my morning voice is so rich in low register. Boom, 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 boom. Now tell me what? They was probably rehearsing like this. That's the wrong note. Now tell me what? There it is. There it is. All of them was in the church choir. Cause honey, them things was some singing somebody. Did you hear me? They couldn't help it. You know when it's in you, it's just in you. I feel like I can give you every Toni Braxton hit known to man right now. Who do you think I am? Y'all be getting me off topic. Okay, so a while back I did a new method. Well, it was new on my channel, creating a crochet look that was very safe and protective of your what? Edges, okay? Y'all loved it, because you know we not out here donating edges. We trying to keep them healthy and wealthy, amen? Amen. So I'm gonna bring that to you today, but I'm going to make an adjustment to it. I'm about to add my individual illusion flair. This is just for the people who cannot cornrow, because for that particular method, you still had to be able to cornrow. If you do not know how to cornrow, you don't need to cornrow. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna just do it, put my back into it, okay? The hair that I'm gonna be using today is from Toyotress. You know I love their hair.
Y'all know this.
I'm gonna be using their ocean wave. I've used this hair before. It always gives such pretty results. I have their ocean wave in the color 1B30. I have 12 inches. They give you a package. You see this? That's one bundle. There are 7 bundles inside this one pack. So when I say get one pack, know that it's not one bundle. There will be 7 bundles inside of that one pack. Crochet hook. This is the hair. This is the hair. There's 15 little pieces that's on here. This is one bundle. 7 of these will come in one pack. Okay, you guys? You need a crochet cap. There are so many different types of crochet caps, y'all. Okay. Basic crochet cap with combs. Okay. Let me know in the comments if you like this method or if you prefer the cornrow method. Let me know in the comments. Let's go ahead and style and profile. Don't you go nowhere. Okay, you guys, so listen, these are just plaits going across my head. Imagine if we were getting ready to do one of the illusion crochet braid patterns, but I just stopped at that first row in the front. Now, I'm going to be removing, I believe, 3 of the boxes from my right side because the spirit hit, y'all. It got me. And it was like, oh, I have an idea. But you're going to need to remove those 3 pieces from the side. That's why I'm going to end up doing that. You do not have to do it. You can leave your boxes all the way across if you so choose to. Okay? I'm just going to be ignorant on top of ignorant. That's why I'm going to end up removing the right side of those boxes. Here I am just installing the pieces using a basic double knot method where I'm just installing on this wig cap knotting it twice, and along the perimeter, I'm going to be doing the illusion crochet method. Y'all remember the illusion crochet method? Yes, I'm doing that for a seamless look. That's the purpose of the illusion crochet method in the front. Now, you'll notice this cap, the holes are bigger on the sides. That is so that you can use bigger pieces in that area. You'll notice the holes are smaller at the top. That's because you're supposed to take smaller pieces to achieve a more seamless look, okay? I use the big pieces along the side and in the back, actually, because the back does not judge you. It really doesn't. But the front, oh, cousin, it will talk about you like it never even knew you, okay? So don't even try it. Don't even test it out. I'm telling you what I know. Along the front of this cap, I want you guys to make sure that you're using the illusion crochet method, where you just pull one end of the hair through. Instead of both ends through the loop, you're going to pull one end through the loop. It's just going to give it a more flawless, seamless outcome. Okay, so just take your time when you get to the front and the top. Just take your time, separate your pieces at least one time so that you can get a nice style in the end. Okay, you don't want to rush this part. The back and the sides, honey, you could be ignorant on top of ignorant. I'm just letting you know that's what I do. You know, you do what you want to do, but I'm just telling you what I do. And then the top in the front, just take your time, get a great install, because you want to be able to keep this and plop it on when you want to, pull it off when you want to, bam, that's it, that's all. Here, I'm using the same illusion crochet method. I'm just installing it inside of my plait, okay? This is for the people who cannot cornrow. If you can plait 3-strand braid, but you cannot cornrow, this method is for you. Or you just don't feel like cornrowing. That's a possibility too. Sometimes you don't feel like doing all that. I understand. So this method right here is for you. The same invisible crochet install method that you just saw me do on the wig. That's what I'm doing in these boxes. It's very low tension on that hairline, and that's what we're going for. Safe edges, okay? Now, this right here is what I was talking about. I was inspired all of a sudden to just do a little swoop-a-doop on the side. I've been here in life lately. I've been in the land of ignorant edges, okay? And it is what it is. So I grabbed my favorite gel, you guys. I love this gel because it's a nice hold, but it's soft, okay? It's not hard and rough and ignorant. So that's why I really like it. I just did that little design, and that was it. This part you don't have to do. My hair is at a peculiar length, so, you know, with a low ponytail, sometimes all my hair will fit in it and sometimes it won't. I'm just keep it real with it sometimes. So I put on a black cap to match the hair, just to keep all my hair down. If you need to do that, do it. If you don't, bam, on to the next thing. This part is optional. I just like to have layers.
I like for my hair to be big and ignorant.
Y'all know this to be true. So, you know, cutting a few little pieces shorter than the rest of the hair gives the impression that you just really went through and layered it upon layering it upon layering it, and we really did none of that, okay? It's all about the illusion, baby. It's all about the illusion. You just fluff, separate if you would like to finish off this style, you guys. It's very edgy, it's very fun, it's light. It looks like a lot of hair because, you know, we did a lot of fluffing and a few little layering tricks here and there, but it's not heavy, it's not hot, none of that stuff. You got to remember, this is a crochet cap. It's very light, it's very porous, and it serves its purpose, you guys. And we want to keep our edges, which is the star of the show, healthy, safe edges. We want to keep them happy, and this will do that, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you're feeling this style. I really appreciate you guys. Do you like the braided version of this or this version, the illusion version? Let me know, you guys. All right, peace, love, light.